Hello again. As part of usability tests, I implemented a simple Lunar Drift game. I published Lunar Drift as a reference project to the SHA-C64 language. I also added a menu item for downloading reference projects. Let's have a look. So let's start by downloading the Lunar Drift reference project. Now that it has been downloaded, we can run it. The objective is to steer the ship to the bottom of the screen. You can activate the main thruster by pressing the spacebar. You can then activate the left and right thrusters by pressing A and L keys respectively. If the ship hits the wall, the game is over. Yep, I failed. Lunar Drift is a reference project for showing how to use high-resolution sprites. Let's open the sprite editor. Here's the ship, and here are the 3 thrusters. And here are the explosion clouds. Let's change the design of the ship. Now we can run the game again. And I failed again. Lunar Drift consists of many modules as shown here. For instance, there are modules for the explosion, the playground, and the ship. Let's open the module diagram to see the architecture. Here you can see how the game works on 3 modules: the playground, the ship, and the key modules. The ship module manages the thrusters, the explosion, and the sound. The rest of the modules are supportive modules managing printing and sprites. Let's have a look at the public functions in the modules. Here you can see the functions for the ship module. In the ship module, each thruster has its own function. The ship module then delegates the calls to the thrusters module that animates them. Lastly, there is the sprite module that manages all the sprites. We can also see that the screen, color, and sprite modules are just data modules. They do not contain any public functions. So the playground is drawn in this module by the reset function. Let's click the function to inspect it. The reset function draws the entire playground with bars, columns, and blobs. Let's modify the bars so that it is easier to navigate to the bottom of the screen. If we look at the draw bars function, it gets the parameters from these arrays. Let's shorten the middle bars to make the playground simpler. Now let's run the game again. Finally, there we go. So that is what Lunar Drift looks like. It is available as a reference project for Saxi64. Feel free to download it and play around with it. Next, I will continue improving the project view in the development environment. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by and see you soon.